If you're looking for how to cancel your Prezi subscription, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to cancel your plan quickly and correctly so you can avoid confusion and make sure your subscription is fully handled. This is especially helpful if you're no longer using Prezi, want to stop future billing, or just want to manage your account more efficiently. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software how-to videos just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to Prezi and log into your account. Make sure you sign in with the same email that's linked to the paid plan you want to cancel. If you have multiple accounts, this is an important step because the cancel option will only show up on the account that actually has the subscription attached to it. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You should see your profile name or profile icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. This menu is where you'll find the settings and billing options for your Prezi account. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to your account management area where you can view your profile details, license information, and subscription settings. If you're not seeing the correct options right away, take a moment to make sure you're in the right account before moving forward. Next, click the License tab. This section is where Prezi shows your current plan details, including whether your account is on a free plan or a paid subscription. If you are on a paid plan, you should see a Cancel Subscription link in this area. If you don't see that link, it usually means one of two things. Either you're logged into the wrong account or your account is not currently on a paid subscription. If the Cancel Subscription link is visible, click it to begin the cancellation process. Prezi will usually ask you to confirm that you want to end your plan, so take a second to read the message carefully before moving on. After that, you'll likely see a brief exit survey asking why you're leaving. This is a normal part of the cancellation process. You can choose the reason that best matches your situation, whether it's cost, lack of use, or simply switching to another tool. Once you've completed the survey, click Continue to finalize the cancellation. At this point, your Prezi subscription should be cancelled. It's always a good idea to double check for a confirmation message or email so you know the cancellation went through successfully. That way, you have peace of mind and you won't be surprised by any future billing. And that's it. You've now learned how to cancel your Prezi subscription step by step. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.